Today we will learn to make a simple pigeon using pencil colors. So start by sketching the head and the body of the pigeon in pencil. Remember that the head of a pigeon is small in relation to the body and the beak is even smaller. Now make the wing of the parrot. The second wing is scarcely visible, so we will concentrate only on that wing which is visible from this side. Sketch lightly so that it does not show when you have colored your drawing. Draw the legs and the feet of the parrot, and as you can see, we are almost finished sketching. So now let's start coloring. Take black. Use black to make the beak of the parrot and the iris of the pigeon's eye. Fill red around it and outline the eye using yellow. Take grey and color the head and the neck of the pigeon. You may also use black with light pressure to get the same shade as grey, as I have done in this composition. Now use black in some small strokes and roughly to get the feathers on the neck. Use green in a similar way so that we get both green and black on the neck. Slightly outline the wing of the pigeon, and that is the other wing, which is almost not visible in our drawing. Now move your black in small curved strokes to make a few black feathers on the wing of the pigeon. The major part of the wing will be left grey. Use black on the lower side of the pigeon's tail. It will get darker towards the end. Now take brown for the space above the black. As you can see, in any composition, the most important aspect is contrast, which can be achieved by placing dark colors close to light colors or areas that have been left entirely white. Use pink and overlay it with orange to get the correct color for the feet of the pigeon. If you use a photograph for reference, you may also choose to make a background which suits your composition. Now use dark brown or black to make some important outlines which will make the pigeon stand out. Now we will fill grey on the wings as they look very light. Also get the look of the feathers. Darken the outlines wherever necessary. Keep your pencils well sharpened, and well, our pigeon is complete. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.